In this video, we're going to continue to add detail to our helmet. So what we're going to do is look at this area right here. It's inset where the visor is going to be on the helmet. So what we're going to do is we're going to right mouse button, we're going to copy this, and we're going to paste it. So essentially, it is pasting a whole nother body there for us to use. We're going to say OK. Now we're going to finish our forms. Now when we go back here, you'll notice that we have body A, or body 1 and body 2. We're going to take body 2 and we're going to scale this down. Like so. Alright, so that's 0.93. Let's make it 0.95. And let's look at the front here. We're going to have, we'll adjust that a little bit. So let's grab body 2. We're going to say move. Let's center that there. And in the right hand view, let's do the same thing. Let's bring that back like that. Okay. What we're going to do next is capture our opening. So we're going to cut out this piece here. We're going to remove part of the inner one, and essentially we're going to trim out and keep what we need and throw away what we don't. Okay, so let's start by going to a right hand view. Let's zoom up. We're going to create a sketch. We're going to select this plane as our side view, and we're going to create a spline. One right now looks straight. As I hit the third, you can see how it's starting to give me more control. There we go. And let's bring that like that. Click that button. There we go. Now I can come to each one of these points. I hit escape to make sure I was out of the command. And we can just fine tune this a little bit. There we go. Okay. Stop sketch. Let's turn on the main body of our helmet. And what we're going to do is we're going to say split body, this. See this extend splitting tool? Make sure that's turned on. You'll see we say OK. There we have our first piece here. So we actually will keep that. And we'll turn this one off. Go down to sketches and turn that sketch on. And let's do the same thing. Split body, this body here. The tool is going to be this. Like so. There's that. This one here we actually need. This here we can delete. So now when I turn this on, this is what we wind up with. So now we can go to Create, and actually this is where we want to change to a new workspace called Patch. And what we're going to do is we're going to just create a loft from here to here. Say OK. Let's turn this sketch off. We now want to stitch all of this together. And now we're going to come in here. We're going to add fillets. Like so. See if this will work. And you can see it's capturing our history here. Let's grab this, fillet. There's that. Okay, let's change back to our model workspace. And let's see if we can add thickness to this. Thicken right here. Here's our faces. All right, let's go minus. Let's go into the inside. Okay, we can see that. We say OK. And now you can see that we have a nice solid body with thickness. All right, let's go ahead and cut out now. Our helmet changed shape a little bit, but don't get too hung up on that. I think overall, if you look where the shield's going to be, I think we're going to be okay. Because there's our shield right, is going to be right here. And what we'll do is we'll probably actually scale it up just a tad and add some thickness to it. And then we will assemble it to the helmet. But first of all, let's go ahead and cut this out right here. So we're going to go to right view. Let's turn off our body there. Okay, same thing, create a sketch. We're going to create a spline. Hit the check mark. I hit escape. Like that. This looks pretty close here. There we go. Let's bring this down just a hair. Okay. So now stop the sketch. Let's bring this body up here. Modify split body right here. Splitting tool is going to be this. We can delete that. Let's turn on our guy there. Now, keep in mind, we haven't done the interior of this yet. So let's keep moving forward here. Let's look at the front view. Yeah, we're in pretty good shape. We could probably squeeze that in just a little bit, but I think we're going to be okay. This will give you a good idea of how to create this helmet. Okay, in the next video, what we're going to look at is the visor component and these vents.